Welcome to our detailed review of the refrigerator wire harness DA96-00640A, compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models, including RF25HMEDBWW, RF28HMEDBWW, RF28HMEDBWW, RF30HMEDBWW, RF31HMEDBWW, and RF4289HARS/XA. Before we dive in, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. This wire harness assembly is an essential replacement part designed to meet OEM standards, ensuring reliable performance and compatibility with Samsung refrigerators. It replaces part numbers 397-0367, AP5623877, PS4168-713, and EAP4168-713, making it a versatile choice for various models. The manufacturer has thoroughly tested this component, so you can expect durability and a perfect fit without the hassle of compatibility issues. One of the major advantages of this wire harness is its comprehensive compatibility across numerous Samsung fridge models, which means you don't have to worry about whether it will fit your specific unit. Installation is straightforward for those familiar with appliance repairs, and it restores proper electrical connections that are crucial for your refrigerator's functionality. On the downside, if you are not experienced with appliance repairs, installing a wire harness might require professional assistance, which could add to the overall cost. Additionally, while the product meets OEM standards, it is not an original Samsung part, so some users might prefer purchasing directly from Samsung for guaranteed authenticity. In summary, the DA96-00640A refrigerator wire harness is a reliable and cost-effective component for maintaining or repairing your Samsung refrigerator. Its broad compatibility and tested quality make it a smart choice for those looking to extend the life of their appliance without breaking the bank. Remember, the link to get this wire harness at a discounted price is fixed in the first comment below. Check it out to save on your purchase.